Aidoo grows up in a Ghanaian village where adults judge a girl's future by the shape of her body. Her grandmother worries about her thin legs, but Aidoo discovers that the same legs can run, compete, and carry her toward a future no one expected. Aidoo says that her greatest problem is not the village, school, or walking. She struggles to decide what to say when adults speak about her. She can think clearly, but finding the courage and words to answer Nana and Maami is difficult. Nana repeatedly criticizes Aidoo's legs because they are thin and long. She connects a woman's body with marriage, motherhood, and the need for strong hips. Aidoo listens quietly, learning how easily adults can turn one physical difference into a judgment about someone's whole future. The village is several kilometers from the small town, and children walk to school every day. Nana doubts that school will help Aidoo, while Maami believes she can learn to read, write, and calculate. Education becomes a path toward choices beyond other people's expectations. Aidoo runs with her classmates and keeps winning first place. Her teachers select her for the junior section of the district games. The adults who saw her legs as a weakness now have to confront visible evidence. Aidoo is fast, determined, and capable. When Nana hears about the races, her behavior begins to change. She washes Aidoo's clothes and borrows a charcoal iron to press the school uniform until it shines. Her care does not erase the old criticism, but it reveals the first signs that pride can replace doubt. Aidoo wins every race she enters and receives the cup for the best junior athlete in her school. The prize is more than a trophy. It becomes proof that a body judged by appearance can still be strong, skillful, and worthy of admiration. Nana carries the cup on her back as carefully as if it were a precious child. She walks slowly behind the school children, taking the trophy home to show Maami. Her actions speak before her words. She is beginning to understand that Aidoo's legs are not a limitation. Aidoo still fears saying everything she thinks, because adults may become angry or cry. Yet she has already answered their doubts through action. Her legs can walk, run, compete, and carry her dreams. She is not defined by the shape Nana once criticized. The story ends without a loud argument. Instead, Aidoo's success quietly changes the meaning of her legs. A girl's future cannot be measured by narrow ideas about beauty, marriage, or motherhood. Sometimes the strongest answer is the life she proves she can live.